All right, Viv, don't worry about it. Here's some help on 10 and 11 that you asked for. Okay, so the first thing you got to do for this is you got to make the picture bigger, especially if you're old like me. And what you need to get from this picture is you need to get the center, and then you need to get some measurements. So the center is 0, 0, which means that this will not have like something like in parentheses x minus 1 squared. It will not have that because it's essentially going to be x minus 0 squared, which is the same thing as just x squared. So that's a starting point. You look for the center. Now, you can see that it looks like this is 7 units in that direction, and it looks like it is 6 units in that direction. Well, this is a big deal with ellipses. That's where all the numbers come from on the bottom of the fraction. So this is called your semi-major axis. That goes under, so since the x is bigger, since the left and right is bigger than the 49, oh shoot, I counted wrong. Shoot, that must be 6 and the other one is 7. Whoops. So this one, the other one is 5. That's 5. And this one is 6. So it looks like this. 6. 5. There's your ellipse. Terrible. All right, now look, that's where these numbers come from. Since it's wider, 6 squared is 36, the bigger number goes under the x. And then the smaller number gets squared. These are 6 squared is 36, 5 squared is 25. Okay, let's take a look at number 11. Okay, now, like you might need I'll let you use a note card for this test if it helps. For a hyperbola, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, for an ellipse, a squared minus b squared equals c squared. Okay? All right, so look, a is negative 20, so negative 20 squared is positive 400. C is 52. And we got to solve this thing for b and then create the equation. So let's see, what's 52 squared? I don't know. 2007-4. 2704. So you get b equals 2000. This is 2704. And we're going to subtract 400. So you get b is 2304. B squared is, b squared. I hate writing with my finger. All right, so now we need a square root 2304. And you get 48. So that value is going to go with your y, okay? So, and that's because the axis is horizontal. So since this thing is going this way, that's what it means by the transverse axis is horizontal, then you know that the x is positive. So, that's how we got that. All right, good job. Good luck on your next one. Boom.